In this video, I'll be showing you how to check if Samsung Galaxy A16 comes with eSIM. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, perhaps you just got an A16 and you'd rather use an eSIM instead of using a physical SIM card in your SIM tray, which in my opinion, I think is the way to go because eSIMs are just a lot easier. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go over to connections, and you're going to see a lot of options, but go over to SIM Manager like so. Once you're in SIM Manager, look for an option labeled Add eSIM, and my instance is right there. So it's going to say download an eSIM so you can connect to mobile networks. Once you go ahead and click on that, if you see Add eSIM, that means your Galaxy A16 is compatible. But if you only see like SIM 1 and SIM 2, that means your specific A16 model is likely a dual physical SIM version without eSIM support. And yeah, that's literally it. It's as simple as that. So if you have this eSIM option, that's how you know. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.